Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday, but we have seen a struggle at the resistance levels which we had discussed as a critical milestone for metals to break past by 3740, 3760 zone for silver, and it is 3385 for gold. Yes, we have discussed about this levels and proven out to be a great resistance. Can we expect a reversal in the metals today, or it is again going to rally and hit the highs? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. This is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across sessions, across geographies, be it the Asia session, the Europe session, or the US session. There is an update for you to profit as per the level. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, if you look at gold on the hourly chart, see it is taking the support from the 20 period here, and you can still see it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. I'll just wait for it to stay now below 33.68 levels, below which the possibility of a move towards 33.60 will increase, which is a crucial support for the day. Now remember, the resistances earlier are going to be the critical support for the day. Now 33.61, 33.50, the next, and 33.40 the ultimate. Any move below 33.40 is the only sign of reversal. As long as the prices stays above 33.40, we should not be treating gold as bearish. That is pretty clear. Again, I am highlighting this fact. 33.40, 33.50, 33.60. This is the zone which gold is going to get a maximum support here, and it has to breach these levels in order to turn bearish today. The moving averages are trading bullish. Stochastic has fallen towards an oversold zone, and a direct dip is seen here towards the bottom. While when you see the MACD, it is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness here. But I can see a good support coming in at around 33.70 levels. So if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation, see 33.70 offering it a little support, and that is why you can sell here at 33.68 and expect it to move towards 33.60, the first support levels. Very, very strong support there. 33.50 the next. Now on the upside, it is very important for gold to now trade beyond 33.80 and 33.85 zone. Now if you look at the move here, see the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and staying bullish. If you see the stochastic, this is right now suggestive of slight bearishness, but this is MACD, which is very, very important, because see, it has seen a good rise and now it is crossing over at the top, and current candle, if it stays bearish, this might suggest more bearishness ahead. Either you can see a sideways movement where it can cool down the MACD, or modest bearishness is where we can confirm. So if it is bullish, what it may try to do, it may try to do or deliver a range bound movement such that the MACD cools off, and then later on it can bounce back. And this is the case when it is bullish. But remember, once it breaches the resistance levels on the downside, the bearishness is going to increase here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3-hour, look at 3-hour charts. What's happening? See, one straight breakout candle after consolidation. Now it is taking the support here, and it is very important for the metals, for the gold, to erase the gains from this candle, and thus it is very, very important for gold to now trade below 33.60, 33.50 zone in order to confirm further bearishness today. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI sitting at the top here. On the 4-hour chart, see this. You can see this could be one of the reversal signals. You can see diminishing bullishness, and then this reversal has appeared. First candle which has shown a pullback, and the current candle is now looking downwards. Now looking downwards suggests more bearishness ahead. I will definitely watch out for if prices trades below 33.68 and then below 33.60.58. This could be a indication that now the bears are back, and then you can in fact expect 33.50 and 33.40 levels as the next targets. Now if you also connect the 4-hour chart, see, if we treat this as high, we see this as low, you can find out it is a good bearish channel with aggressive bearishness, because the slope is, you can see, steep. There is a possibility of a reversal from the current levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is at the top here. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts what has happened, you can see this aggressive bullish candle the last trading session last week, and then yesterday we have seen a good swing here. Now the support coming in at around 3350, which is very strong, and 3340, the again stronger support levels. What we had seen yesterday, see it has started the day on a slight bullish note today as well, but now it is trying to show pullback. Critical milestones at 3360, 50, 40 available here. Very important for gold to trade below 3340 in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Notice lower highs, lower lows, possibility is there, but this is only applicable as long as it stays below 3380 and 85 zone today, because once it trades beyond 3380 and 85, the targets are going to be high. We are looking at 3400, and then in fact 3418 22 levels should be there very soon. Stochastic is getting overbought. The MACD has crossed over for a buy, and the RSI flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to deliver the levels here. But before I give you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who are just willing to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for your queries. Also, it is very important for you to have a trusted partner, a safe broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, the buying entry today I will recommend is at 3378 levels, where you can expect prices to move towards 3384, 85, first target zone. Beyond 3384, 85, the targets are going to be towards 3400. Yes, if it breaches beyond 3384, 85, we can expect the prices to move towards 3400 levels. And beyond 3400, it may show extreme bullishness towards 3418, 3422, the first target levels, and 3440 and 3450 the next. Chances appears to be less that prices are going to hit that high, but these are markets and this is gold. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3368 levels, below which you can expect 3360, 58 as the first target zone, 3350, 52 as the next, and 3340 as the third. Any drop below 3340 is a clear sign of a reversal. Below 3340, we can expect it to move towards 3320 and 3300 levels very soon, if not today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts, likewise, here you can see the bullishness is modest here, and now once it starts to fall, it may show aggressive bearishness. But for this to confirm the bearishness, it is very important for silver to trade below 37.10, $37 zone, which is a crucial support for silver to break below. I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves in this zone, because see, the moving averages have crossed over on the buy side, and now it is starting to look downwards. In fact, when you see the higher prices below 37.30, you can take a sell. However, we can see very strong support in between 37.15, $37 zone. And if that is taken, you can say now silver prices are reversing, else it is still to be treated bullish. Look at MACD hitting the highs. It is crossing over here. Increasing bearishness is seen. The stochastic has dropped. The RSI is also looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Now see this. What has happened here? It has formed a good cusp. Bullishness getting diminished, trying to reverse here. Once it trades below 37.15, $37 zone, we can expect a sharp fall towards 36.75, 36.50 levels. The next support zone. Stochastic is bearish. The MACD has seen a good retracement, waiting for a crossover for sell. The RSI is also trying to turn bearish here. On the 3-hour, the observation here is similar. Resistance pretty strong at 37.40, 37.60 zone. And it is very important for silver to trade above 37.60, which will confirm the next move towards 38. I think there is a greater struggle, there is a greater resistance available on the upside, and specifically between 37.40 and 60 zone, silver is finding it difficult to break beyond. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is still trading bullish after the crossover. RSI is also seen a good rise. On the 4-hour, see this diminishing bullishness trying to reverse. A drop below 37.30, 37.15 zone, you can stay bearish for 37, and a move below 37 will confirm aggressive bearishness. Now notice how silver is traded here. Drop sideways movement, drop sideways movement, drop retracement. So this is a major retracement here, and you can see this is an expanding triangle here. Now, expanding triangle suggests increasing bearishness. It will negate only and only if silver prices trades above 38.20, 38.30. This you can say now this is a reversal. As long as 38.20, 38.30 is not taken, do not treat silver as bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI trying to cool down a bit. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened in silver? You can see it has formed a very good support at the 20 period moving average, but the resistances on the upside are pretty strong. Notice drop retracement. So this is similar move here. You can see the move is identical. After this bigger drop, it has taken the support and retraced. Then after this second bigger drop, it has retraced further highs. Now if it takes a dip, if it trades below 36.80 75 zone and then 36.50 levels, we are ready for another round of a steep fall in silver prices. Right now it is too early to conclude that it is going to drop such sharp. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, the buying entry today is only if you see silver now trading beyond 37.60. When you see the lower price in silver above 37.60, stay with the buys for 37.85, 38, 38.25 levels, beyond which it is going to rally towards the moon. We can in fact see it hitting 39 very very soon, but 38.20, 30 is critical. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry in fact at 37.30 itself, where 37.15, 37, 36.80 are the support it has to break in order to turn further bearish towards 36.40, $36 zone very very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.